Hello children, welcome to today's period. Today we will continue with part 4 of our chapter How many times? Now open page number 134 of your textbook. Children, here are some word problems which we will try to solve now. First is the almirah has 4 shelves. There are 5 books in each shelf. How many books are there in almirah? So here just multiply the given numbers in the problem and we will get the answer. Therefore 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So there are total 20 books. Second problem is a shirt has 5 buttons. How many buttons would 3 shirts have? Hence, the answer will be 5 times 3. That is 15 buttons. Third is, there are 4 fans. Each fan has 3 blades. What is the total number of blades in all? Children, multiplying 4 by 3, we get product as 12 blades. Fourth problem is a box contains 6 apples. How many apples in all will 7 boxes have? Therefore, there will be 6 into 7, that is 42 apples. Fifth word problem is how many corners would 4 triangles have? As we know that triangle has 3 corners. So, to find the product, we will multiply 4 by 3, from which we get answer as 12 corners. Below given are some filling the blanks of multiplication. Let's try to solve them. First is 8 into 3, which is equal to 24. Second is 3 into dash is equal to dash. So, we can write there as 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Dash by dash equals to 42. So children, this product can be obtained by multiplying 7 and 6. 5 into dash equals to 40. We know that 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. Fifth is 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Similarly, solve the other sums by yourself. Now, on page number 135, first complete multiplication table of 1. Here, 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, and so on. Complete this for below blanks too. Now, we will learn multiplication of big numbers. We will learn this by discussing some problems. Children, first is 2 toffees were given to each student in a class. If there were 34 students, how many toffees were given in all? First, we will write down the statement from the sum. Total students present equal to 34. Each student gets 2 toffees. So, total number of toffees given is 34 multiplied by 2. Children, 34 multiplied by 2 is 34 times 2. 30 times 2 is 60. So, the answer is more than 60. 40 times 2 is 80. So, the answer is less than 80. So, what will be the answer? So, to find 34 times 2, here Bharti made a box. See the box in the book. 34 is nothing but 30 and 4. So, to find the answer, she separated them and multiplied individually. 30 times 2 is 60 and 4 times 2 is 8. But we still didn't get our answer. So, finally, just add the numbers in the boxes and you get the answer. 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. So, there are 68 toffees in all. Second problem is, in a picnic, 4 fruits were given to every student. The number of students was 23. Find out the total number of fruits given. Now, the given statement are number of students in the picnic equal to 23. Fruits given to each student equal to 4. Total number of fruits equal to 23 multiplied by 4. Children, 23 multiplied by 4 means 23 times 4. 20 times 4 is 80. So, the answer is more than 80. The answer is also less than 100. Can you tell why? Let us try if we can do this by Bharti's method. So, to find 23 times 4, here 23 is nothing but 20 and 3. So, to find the answer, separate them and multiply individually by 4. 20 times 4 is 80 and 3 times 4 is 12. But this is not our answer. So lastly, just add the numbers in the boxes and you get the answer. 80 plus 12 is equal to 92. So there are 92 fruits given in all.